Alright guys, what's up? So I'm here, part number 6 of this build series, and on this one we're going to talk about doing the exhaust, and specifically exhaust baffles. So what I have here are exhaust baffles, and you can see just a small little pipe, little cutouts bent in, and they basically slide in, mount with that bolt. I got these on eBay for $10 for both of them shipped. So I mean, they're super cheap, they work really well, I use them a lot, and they sound really good, and they also keep back pressure for you. So what I use them a lot for is doing straight pipes, because they basically just slide in, mount, and you got a muffler essentially. It's like a little mini muffler, it just slides in. Now they make them in a couple different sizes. These are for 2-inch pipes. They make them for 2-inch, 1.75 1.5 inches are the common ones. You might be able to find different sizes if you look hard, but those are usually the most sizes you use for most motorcycles anyway. And pay attention to your pipe diameter. Now you can get in trouble by going, measure. There's inside and outside diameter. So a good thing to do is measure your pipes so you know. And use like a dial caliper, like this, and measure it. And I'll set the camera down and show you guys. Hopefully it shows up. Basically you can see 1.85, and then in the pipe I'm putting it in fits in there. You just measure it. Now I'm actually putting this into cut-off mufflers, so I had to use an adapter because they don't make it big enough. This is the biggest one I find, the 2-inch. So what I'm doing is sliding that in, gonna bolt that in, and then this slides in there, bolts in there. And that's basically your muffler. Alright, so as you can see, I got the mufflers cut off, and it's basically an open pipe, just like having straight pipes. Basically the same thing. It's just, an open muffler cut open. So if you had straight pipes and they said the end right there, you would just take this guy, slide it into your straight pipe, and that would be your muffler. So, I mean, you guys get the idea of what I'm saying. I'm just using adapters because I cut mufflers just because I want the look. So I'm going to go ahead and get these installed, and I'll get you guys back when I get them installed and get the bike running. So here's the baffles installed. Got the bike running. A little bit of smoke coming off the header wrap there. No big deal. Sounds pretty good. It's pretty quiet at idle, but once you get on it, it's got a nice little sound to it. Here we go. So there it is. Exhaust baffles installed. Catch y'all on the next one.